Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me about saving the settings in case they had a computer crash and had to get a new computer or, reinstall Corel. All your settings, like my settings, I set my nudge factor on 0.001, my duplicate distance 0.0, my rulers are set at 0.0, the top page from there to there, my page size, my pen tool, I don't want any fill when I draw an ellipse, and I want to draw in red hairlines all the time. So to save that, go right up here to this grayed out bar and right click, go to customization and workspace and export. So what you're doing, you're exporting all these tools, your menu bar, your status bar, your shortcut keys, and go to export. Then I would strongly suggest putting it into a USB drive. I've already got mine there, and just type in whatever you want. Just type in Doug, it's already workspace file. It's a CDRWS, and hit OK, hit save, and then hit export. And what that did, it exported it to that file. So let's say I take it out to my shop computer and I want all the settings the same. All I have to do is go back up here and right click, customization, workspace, and import it. And it'll import those settings. Pretty good way to save your settings. I'm not too worried about it because I can put my settings back. I get people send me files all the time, and then I'm drawing in CMYK and, half a point lines and different page size. And then when I need to do some work, I'll just reset them to my size in my settings. But this is pretty smart because it'll save macros, it'll save your shortcut keys, and so on. Pretty good practice. Do it every so often. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.